Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Italian Caesar salad from scratch. We'll begin by exploring the essential components that make this classic dish so special. You'll learn to craft a rich, creamy dressing, prepare perfectly crunchy croutons, and ensure your romaine lettuce is crisp. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge to create a restaurant-quality Caesar salad right in your own kitchen, impressing everyone with your culinary skills. The heart of any great Caesar salad is its dressing. To start, whisk together 2 fresh egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Gradually, and I mean slowly, drizzle in 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, continuously whisking to create a smooth emulsion. Then, stir in 2 finely minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for that authentic, savory flavor. Next, let's prepare those irresistible croutons and the crisp romaine. Take 4 slices of day-old bread, cut them into 1-inch cubes, and toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. Bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until they are golden brown and crunchy. For the lettuce, wash 1 large head of romaine thoroughly, dry it completely, and tear it into bite-sized pieces, ensuring it's ready to absorb all that wonderful dressing. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for your magnificent Italian Caesar salad. In a large bowl, gently toss the prepared romaine lettuce with your homemade Caesar dressing until every leaf is lightly coated. Add the freshly baked, warm croutons and 1/2 cup of shaved Parmesan cheese. Serve your salad immediately to enjoy its peak freshness and delightful textures. A final sprinkle of black pepper or a lemon wedge makes a perfect garnish for this timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.